Hey, morning, guys. How are you? Hey, uh, market looks pretty strong though, so it seems like we'll have a great day today. Pretty much everything looks good. But yeah, morning. Hey, morning, Akshay. Morning, Salty. Morning, Louis. How are y'all doing? Morning, Sunil. Hey, Tomikazi, how are you? Silver looks good. I was looking at the silvers and looks really good. I like silver. Yeah, apples, like I think market is really is strong. It's pretty good, like this kind of market, if you see a lot of strength, you can literally get in, get out, and make a pretty good decent money. I'm good. Hey, I have a lot of plays, so I already have Apple Lips, and I got in Apple Lips. I have a lot of BA, so I want to look into the BA. So BA was getting some strength. Yeah, see, we holded this. There was like 155. We did touch, so that was a perfect time. It did bounce back, and if you look at the smaller trend line right here, we kind of from downtrend to we started an uptrend too, and we just need a news, man. I mean, if you get a news 60, I mean 65 is a 65 was a yeah, around 66, 67, pretty decent resistance, I guess, because we were there in August 20 and a little bit before there in July 10th too. So I'm basically, I'm still holding. I'm looking for news, but I have like a month out. So one thing I do is I don't get most weekly. I mean, if I'm really sure, for example, Tesla is really strong today, I'll get in, get out. I'll do that. But other than that, I'll just I'll just wait for swing. Mostly I do swing. One thing I noticed today, the tech is rallying really well, but Facebook is pretty much flat though. I mean, it's just like 1%. So be careful with Facebook though. I do not. Also, I was looking at, they were like, okay, not this one. I was looking at their 50-day, where is that? Moving average. I think it does 21 days. So I'm gonna do 50-day. I think we're like 50-day. Yeah, not quite. And Apple, why I got in was Apple was sometimes when I, so if you look at it, just right there in a 50 days. So I think I got around 10. I got leap around 10. So with 18, that's almost with the 90 delta, that's like 900, and it's a stress free, right? You don't need to stress much about it. Even if it's hover around 10, you can just do sell covered calls and make money. I do have a sold covered call for 22, 22, yeah, 22.5, I think. 22.5, and I got like 70 or 80 bucks, something like that. So I did yesterday. So I should have waited today, probably got more, but I'm fine. If it goes 22, I can even sell it, doesn't matter. I made like what, 1200, 1500 within a week, so I'm not gonna complain that. So when you are trying to buy, a lot of people, if you are buying long terms, look at this moving averages. Like 50 days a good, and if it drop below, look at 100 or 150. So look at that. Last times when we kind of right before the earnings, when Apple dipped, just almost 50-day, it's just right there. Good opportunity if you're long terms. But again, don't apply this for like penny stocks or something you never heard, or hype stock, right? You want, this is value. Apple is really great company. A lot of things. They have an event today, so we probably gonna go higher. Let's see what else we have. What's up? Okay, uh, I think Python. I was looking at Python, and this were my zone before, and we are my support was around 80, 81. Resistance around yeah, resistance right there around 85, so we are in 83. I didn't see much strength in Bhutan too. Like after the earnings kind of died down. Really, I think they had a great earning too. Not sure exactly what happened, but I guess like peoples are moving towards uh, tech stock again. Let's look at the silver. Silver was, oh man, I told you yesterday in live silver. Uh, we need to break this. We need to break this. I think once we break this, literally, I think we could say 27 and 28. We will. Silver is stepping up, and this is really a good when it's trying to coiling into really congested area. Uh, this is good. It needs like it's all power is really concentrating, and it needs to burst in the I want upside because I am holding it. And let's look what else we have. Okay, okay. Hey, and Nicholas, so I take profit. Yesterday I had a lot of Tesla and I was up 200, 300%. I took some. I have some, but I take profit. Again, it's your call, but if you have one and you are out, the thing is like 495 is still a little bit far away. Even if we are 40, it's still far away. If you expire weekly, you will lose value every day. It has to go by 20, $30 every day. So yeah. uh, Walmart, Roku, DKNG. I'm already in DKNG. I have a leaps mostly. Scalp a little bit. I would not. Yeah, we are up nicely. So I wouldn't chase those. Like they're really high up. Like that's what this was a nice top, and it just broke out through it. It would be really good if you, I mean, if you knew, but I think it was just the news that kind of popped up. But see, look at that. These were higher highs. Whenever it breaks, it just busted through. So again, if you are really good active trader, but it seems like it's a flat, but I wouldn't chase when something gap up really. Like if you got in before, great, but just look at the price actions. You can day trade quickly, scalp. You can do that, but not sure why Tesla is zero, but definitely not zero. I'll buy everything if it was zero, but $38. I think it's 438. So we are in this zone. So yeah, okay. There's some resistance right around 38.40. So you see right here, those were resistance before to support before. So once we cross, I definitely see 65, 60 to 65. And we broke through the downtrend right here. And we are in an uptrend, the small mini trend. Tesla, there's uncertainty, but again, big rewards. I think there's FOMO and a lot of energy right in the. And I think we had a massive volume yesterday too. Hope we see the same volume, same action. That would be great. So what else I'm looking for? Amazon, I don't see any strength though. Amazon, not sure why, but Amazon, Google, I was looking at like Facebook, a little bit, but not. I mean, still it's below 50-day moving average. So this is kind of acting as a resistance. So we need to breach that. If you don't breach that, I see downside. So look at this. We went right down that trend line and we are under 50-day moving average for Amazon. So not great one. Let's see what else we have. Uh, Python and Chewy. If you're not sure, you should just get Leaps, man. It's a very safe. I mean, you do need some capital. Yeah, I think I went over with this. So Chewy, Chewy is a great company as a company. I haven't looked at the stock. Uh, oh man. Okay, it's still under 50-day moving average. So for this to enter, I will try to see if it breaks the 50-day. If it not, then it could go down. I mean, there could be a more downside. And seems pretty flat today, not much, but we had a huge sell-off, literally from what, like 74 till 50. That's a lot of sell-off. Uh, I do see. Okay, there's sure there's some support around this area. You see? Okay, there's some support around this area. If it holds, then I wanna see maybe breach of, yeah, breach of 50 days. You can probably go long, cause look at that. There's some resistance. There's some resistance. There's some resistance. When the support and resistance, if the support held the resistance previously, that's a strong. So that's good. But still, if you look at this, we are still in a downtrend. So maybe you can just create a trend line right here and see it right here. So probably gonna open here somewhere, and if it breathes, so exactly like how 50 days. So yeah, but if not, then we have another support around this area, I would say. Yeah, right around this area. So 45, 45. I think 45, probably the lower it could probably go is 45. It's a great company. I like Chewy. Really great customer service, and everything is going to the e-com. They have a subscription business, a great business too. Okay, sure. I will make how to do how to do leaps on TikTok. I might have some, but yeah. Um, Roku, Chewy. I kind of went through. Neo popping. Yeah, Neo always. These are sympathy, right? When tech goes, like people's kind of, oh, I mean, similar business, right? It's both EV. So whenever you have those, I got Neo Leap as well. So, oh wow, so it kind of went past all the resistance right there. So it passed. Now I, what is 18? Oh wow, so we heading for 20. We heading for 20, guys. 20. Yeah, we heading for 20. I think we can see 20. This is not too expensive too, so a lot of people, if you have a smaller account and you are like thinking Tesla could be, so this is a good topic. Somebody bought it, right? It's a sympathy. So if even if they don't, I don't think they have any events or anything. So if Tesla goes up, there's a hype around it, so people's gonna buy Neo. But again, this is good. You may believe in Neo, but I'm not buying long term at this high. I want it lower. Whenever buying for something long term, you want cheaper, not expensive. Okay, okay. Somebody was messaging me, should I sell Tesla? You need to have your own plan, guys. Like, what are you comfortable? You come keep till 200%, yeah, sell it. If you are not, then I guess you hold it, but you're risking it too, right? So yeah. So, any thoughts on AMD? AMD, but I don't know about that news. So, the perfect. Yeah, I know that was crazy, crazy. If somebody got into IMMU, they literally like $1,000 was like 700. I mean, yeah, no, $100 was almost 370 or something. Yeah, that's overnight, just one day. I mean, someone got lucky. You just need to look into news and everything. So I heard like they had some acquisition, so it's again gambling, right? It's again you are throwing, but yeah, unless you have insider information. So if you had insider information, you banked. Yeah, you need spreads enabled. So Apple, uh, let's, yeah, Apple 120. Next measure is 120. Once we cross 120, which we can definitely go 25 and 30. Yeah, 20, yeah, 24, 25. Then next is 30. So I definitely see so Apple going. So there's a lot of FOMO going on in the market. So could be good. Did you guys see my? I was just charting, and that was what a perfect for lift, right? Yeah, I just wanna. Sometimes you just need to. I missed out. I would have just taken a perfect trade, but so when you look at the lift, so this is a longer time frame, like held really great support. But even if you look at the 5 minutes, like if you are day trading, that was a look at this, look at this beauty. That was resistance, that was resistance, that was support, that was support, and boom, right around 31. That's 32. That's $1, and these are cheap, right? Lyft, you can literally get it for 20, $30 or $40. So if you're risking 40, 50 to make 100 or something within a day, I mean within an hour, right? These are 15 minutes, so couple hours. So that would be so keep make your zones, keep it ready, and like nobody knows when you're gonna hit it, but you can hit it anytime. Okay, we're gonna get that kind of informations. Well, you gotta, I mean, that was like insider information or something. I'm not sure, but you just need to look out for those. Yeah, you gotta. LI, mark what information? Oracle LI. So I'm gonna look at the LI and Oracle, and I don't know what is LI. I have no idea. Maybe I know after I see the name. Lee Auto. Oh, it's a Chinese EV. So I haven't looked into much. So don't know about their fundamentals or whatever. I never got into it, but we're gonna look into it and see how the story tells. Okay. One thing I can see is like it's kind of. Uh, let's look into the daily. I'm gonna go to get some water and be back. Just a second. All right. Let's look at the Lee Auto. So they are up pre-market. They were up nicely. So they don't have much history. I think so. August, September. So I don't like not a really great pattern. So there's some support right around 15, 16 area, and we are right here. Next is 18, 1850. There's some resistance, but major resistance I would say is like 18, 19. Yeah, 19. There's major. Yeah, but it doesn't seems like a much volume. But this new company is like, hmm, is it making head and shoulder kind of? But it can go a little bit high. Yeah, you gotta be careful. But looks like downtrend. It just broke it. So if you look at the downtrend, um, it is kind of in from here to here. Just broke it like recently. So yeah, and right here, once it cross, I can see it's going 1850 or 1830. I don't know if it's optionable or not, but yeah, pretty new. If you wait a little while and see it form, but one thing is like volume is not, again, I think they had a huge volume on the IPO day and then kind of died down, but not too much volume. I don't know how much is their market cap. So 10 billion, not bad. Okay. Okay, Tesla, Oracle. Okay, Tesla, Oracle. Tesla is free. Yeah, Tesla, we are right here in my upper zone. So 437, really good price. And let's see. So what are you guys in? Are you guys in Tesla? What are you guys in? So yesterday, Apple was the most. So Apple has most calls. So call Apple strike 120. So you can see all those data. So second was DraftKings, then Tesla, MU, Ford, T, Snap. So you can do Snap. Snap is pretty cheap. Walmart, Neo. So you can see all those too. Yeah, pen. I'm gonna look into the pen and BA and Zoom just Tesla right now. No idea what to do with the pen. I like pen though. I think it's doing. So look at that in daily. It just bounced their all-time high, kind of big resistance. So I definitely see it. I think I may actually get in some swings for a pen. Actually, I like it here. Um, Gaming and everything's going. They have good fundamentals too. So look at this, 50-day bounce, boom, boom, boom. So long term, you don't buy here, right? You're swinging something and you believe in everything, but this is pure technical. If you're like, okay, it's See, all-time high busted through it. So we had the huge sell-off, but again back at it. So pen looks good. I like pen. Uh, yeah, I don't see. I think it's a good idea. Yeah, Zoom kind of energy is kind of dying out, and with the winter coming, so there's less you know less demand for energy. So definitely that could be something. But Zoom doesn't move that much, so you're just wasting your premium. Maybe sell something. I'm getting it back in when there's a good setup. Oh, I like that, Christian. Yeah, that's a good idea. Just selling when you get money, then you do it. Yep. Check out my TikTok. I had what I'm looking for today. I load the healthcare IT STA for longs. I have no idea about yeah, good dividend. Yeah, dividend is good. Microsoft, I will look into Microsoft. I don't think Microsoft had that much strength. So one thing I noticed was Facebook, Google, Amazon were kind of dying off, but Microsoft doesn't look that bad. 209. So one thing is we are below a 50-day, so we do need to breach that, which is a kind of bad sign. So below 50, still below 50, 50 days moving average, but uh, yeah, we need like good volume with 215 to push higher. 215, then next is 228. That's when the power comes, but we need a good volume. I'm in Google, took the stairs down. Yeah, Google also I kind of looked into is like you see all this Apple has a lot of strength, right? But Google is kind of struggling in that area. Uh, so upper I see. Oh, this is not Google. I was looking at something good and it's like $18. No way. See, look at that. It's still struggling right below. And this was a good time. 1470 and bam. Within see a lot of times when you have a strength and kind of picking up, like we get in 1482 till up to 17. That's a good gain. But here it's kind of struggling. So I wanted to clear like maybe making it a good trend. Uh, I do see some support around 1589 and resistance and some support right. I'll just say right around here. Yeah, right around 1477. I think 1477 is a good base. You can get long. Let's see. Yeah, I mean Tesla. A lot of people may take profit. So yeah. Oh, I do wheel all the time, Deep. I do wheeling. I do wheel all the time. I just wheel in a lot of the stocks, a lot of the ticker I do wheel. And again, I do most of like 60-70% of the time. I'm selling covered calls, selling puts, wheeling, selling call. I mean, PPMC performance, covered calls. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Maybe I'll make some video about wheeling and yeah. I'll make a video about wheeling. So FedEx. I think FedEx is earning today. I would not play earnings. You can play the day, like if you wanna get out, get in. So pretty much, market just opened. Uh, Pretty right there. Pretty not much action there. 242, 232 yesterday looks like. Uh, I would not. I mean, if you see good, like maybe play within the day, but other than that, yeah. Let's look at our favorite. Where's Tesla? Tesla. What? Oh, okay, that was some glitch. But look at that. If you get filled at 160, that would be awesome, right? But I don't know why is that was happening. Like a lot of manipulation, man. Jeez, that's weird. Okay. but let's look at the 15 minutes maybe. Just open, we are right here. We opened right here, gap up from 18, 19 there. So pretty strong, pretty strong. Let me see my positions. Tesla is looking strong, but you gotta wait a little bit just to see the direction. Nikola has some bad news, and yesterday went up and dropped it, so not great if you are in. Okay, so what else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Okay, I was looking at Zoom. 406. There's a lot of selling going on right there. It was kind of making the ascending triangle. Yeah, we do need like maybe 10 breach, but market is kind of selling off now, huh? Okay, Facebook is up pretty decently. CRM is 250. That's awesome. Let's Okay, silver's up a little bit. Let me look at my positions. What are you guys into? Um, okay, FedEx only up a couple hundreds. Okay, thanks. Yeah. Google had some. Pretty flat. Like we are in that range. We have a support right around 80 and 85, which are like kind of magic number as well. Mental, even if you don't have that, they automatically are support and resistance. But that's where we are. Pretty flat though. Like pretty much this whole week, flat, flat, flat. I had a, I had, I had to call like what 70, 75 call for this, and they are pretty flat. Okay. I may get into some WKHS. Oh, they were down. Hmm. Yeah, Tesla is selling off too. See, a lot of profit takers. A lot of people want to take profit. Almost from they're like 40 something till. So you gotta be like, you gotta be careful with those. So let's look at the Apple. Same action. Hmm. Squares up 2-3%. Yeah. Pretty much everything's kind of died down a little bit. Okay. Tesla is still holding it. If you are above like 27, we should be good. We're still pretty strong on Tesla, I would say. Yeah, this is good if you are holding in that label, like we bumped up, then if you are holding that label, that's a positive sign. Yeah, Apple. We're gonna go to. Yeah, Tesla is doing good. It's doing its thing. That's good. Yeah, give it a time a little bit, form a clear direction, but so far it looks good. Yeah, Tesla is holding that label, which is a good sign. If it holds, that would be good. There's some nobody's winning the fight. We definitely have bulls, and yeah, good volume coming in. We get a massive volume of 400. Oh, that's a market cap. Yeah, good volume in 15 minutes. It's a good sign. We are. So I had the Rome credit spread open. I'm closing at 60%. Uh, I have some silver. Those look safe. DKNG is doing great. This is dead. Okay. We need BA up. We need BA up, hopefully. BA is up like 2%, so it's slowly grinding there. We just need like big pop. BA would be like really great time now. 155, almost $10 up from there. So you gotta buy on the red day. That's why I say 25. So yeah, silver is doing good for next month. Okay, work is up nicely to 2%. See, work was like almost 24. They almost up like 6-7% from a week ago when they're beaten down with their earnings. They were 34 though, but 24, 25, 26, $2 up. That's a good one. Okay, eBay is up. It's massive volume on Tesla. What else you have? What else you have? DKNG. Okay, I'm gonna look into DKNG and Intel. Okay, Facebook had a huge sweep, so volume is open into slow amount. Oh, okay, that's a very hmm, okay. Okay, DKNG and INTC. I'm gonna look into DKNG. Oh, DKNG. We looked into it. I mean, they had a massive from 44. It was. I wouldn't chase right now. It just too up. I was already in. I'm already in. I wouldn't really chase. Just it just went too high. Maybe have some area. 15-minute channel kind of broke downtrend. If you look at the small time frame, but yeah. Yeah, we have a huge gap to fill, but basically we need like that 50 to 50, yeah, 52 area. So we are still further away. I have some leads, but we do have a huge gap to fill, but we need to cross 50 to 50 to 60 something that area. So after that we can play for the gap, but right now still looking good, like all the way from 48 kind of coming up, so not bad. Hmm. Silver gapped up, that's good. Pretty good day today. I'm complaining. Yeah, Tesla is it's a good sign. Like it's still holding that range, so that's good. So I definitely see a lot of upside on Tesla. Apple is struggling right there in that area, 117, 118. So let's look at let's look at zoom, 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 daily. Yeah, daily right around the ascending triangle. So once we do break out of that, yeah, we need breakout from this. That's a good potential. Uh, 65. One doesn't look that strong. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay. Tesla is kind of hovering around that area. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Okay, is screen a little blurry for others? I'm not sure. Huh? I'm not sure. I mean, looked fine. My internet was kinda a little not great before, but seems like it's good now. So I'm not sure. EP. Maybe somebody else can comment there and see. But I was looking at Beyond. Yeah, so I was looking at this 46 area on daily. Let's get rid of this. Yeah, 46, 47 area, right? So if you look at this area, we had a lot of resistance right here. Trying right there, trying right there, trying here, right here. So I'm not even looking at the older time frame, just the recent time frame from uh, March, April, and it's holding pretty good. So once we cross like 46, 47, I see we going to 50, 58 or more. So that's why I was kind of thinking, let's see how it reacts. So uh, yeah, ideally if it breaches this point, maybe you can long. We are in 45, we are in this, still is struggling right there, but that's my play. I'm swinging. Let's see, small amount, not much, but let's see how that reacts. If it doesn't work for 2 3 days, I'll get out this week only. But I saw a big flow for the Facebook. So Facebook is up 2 point. Oh wow. So if you look at the 5 minutes, okay, Facebook was up, huh? 71 to 73 now consolidating, but making higher highs and lower lows. So that's a good sign. Maybe Facebook is coming to life finally, and also kind of broke that downtrend too. Apple, Apple, Apple. Everybody wants Apple, right? So we are at 18. We are at 18. 120 breeds would be really good. It's 18, 1865. Next we go 20s, 23. Apple looking good. Kind of struggling in that area. I don't know. Maybe they'll have like news. If they have a good news, they can pump really hard too. Square looks really good. Oh, I haven't looked at Nvidia. Okay, Nvidia. I would say flat for Nvidia, cause I think they're up nicely yesterday. They're 15, so right there, strong support around 15 area. But yesterday they started like up, but kind of died down. Somebody was more 79. Oh wow, this is really good base. Huh. This is really good consolidation. Kind of make a cup and handle too. Cup, not a nice looking handle, but kind of. I'll get in at like 480 or 90 when it just with a strong volume. Silver down a little bit. Well, if you guys were in Python, that's good. It's kind of coming up, showing some strength now finally. Next resistance is right around 85 area. Well, beyond look is strong, so I won't buy puts. So I mean, yeah. I mean, why you wanna put when the market is strong? Looks pretty positive to me. Amazon is just stuck right there. It's 31.40. Okay, well good, not too bad. But money dollar amount is massive for this, even if it's like where are we with pen? Okay, it's still struggling. Like we need some volume, positive volume. Not coming up. Yeah, Tesla is right. It's a good sign. Like it's had a nice big pop. So if it does, usually it just fly at the leader. You just Gary, you just need to keep decreasing your price, right? So basically, you put the price, nobody wanna buy, so keep lowering it. If you wanna get out, that's all you do. There's always some bid and ask. It's just the wide. Mark, if you look at that, if you listen to analysts, they know shit. They were telling Apple, I mean Tesla will be $10 last year, so that $10 is now after this split like $2.5. I mean it's not even long ago, so don't listen to them. I mean listen to some, but they have no clue. Nobody has no clue. You gotta look at the price action and decide. So again, Apple is really overvalued. I totally agree. Like Apple is a great company, but it's expensive right now. So but to day trade doesn't matter, right? You don't care. CCL selling off. I haven't looked at CCL. Not sure why. Yeah, they're. Oh wow. Wow, selling of Hughes. Not sure. Is that some news? I have no idea what's going on, but Hughes sell-off looks like. BA looks good though. Oh, BA selling off too now. Something came up. No idea. Something. I don't know. CCL news. I don't see anything popping up. Oh, okay. So there are some news like SIP disposals increased. Okay, they're okay, reducing some 18 ship 12%. Yeah, I mean, pretty bad for them in the sense like not much going on. Nobody wanna go cruising, and they're like high season coming in, and they're losing money, so which is not good. Yeah, BA is kind of selling off too. Not sure what was the news. I was just checking if somebody in the group knew it, but yeah, pretty much all. I guess it's just the outlook, right? Like doesn't look strong, so they need to really need a vaccines. Like once the vaccine comes out, vaccine news comes out, they will fly. But till then, it's just pretty hard for them. Yeah, pretty much all of those were down. A lot of people are asking about credit spread. I made a video on credit spread, so it should be up there. If you guys have any questions or comment, let me know, but it should be there. I know I cannot stop. Oh, I guess we can remove it, but people's are all over Tesla, Tesla, Tesla. Tesla has that crazy, crazy, what do we call? Tesla is just hanging around there, not going, but 437.50. A lot of others tickers were selling off, except the Tesla. Tesla is still holding strong, but a lot of the tickers are selling off. Even Apple's is coming down. Square looks strong though today. Okay, so we are up. We are up like 52. We could see 58. So we broke that downward channel. It was a perfect short opportunity, but now we are in uptrend. Square really good. Okay, OSTK kind of hanging around there. I'm gonna remove Nicola. Yeah, future's pretty flat. Financials are down. Okay. TDD. Oh, they're nice uply today. Yeah, SPY is literally like hanging in that area, nothing special, pretty much no action. But market from okay, QQQ, it's kind of resisting, so we need to breach that. So this could kind of act as a good resistance. If it breaks it, we can even go lower from here. Oh, okay, AP, no problem. Yeah, it happens. Yeah, yeah, AP, yeah. If you don't wanna take that risk, not adrenaline, then yeah, probably be away from Tesla. I mean, I think if you are doing selling puts and cover calls and cover calls and puts and I think you are doing great. Those things you can always continue, right? Tesla, you can maybe make money, but you lose money too, and a lot of people actually lose money then make money. You can make good money too, but it's risk too. Again, there's nothing wrong if you want to, let's say if you 100,000 account and you want to do I'm gonna play Tesla for 500 or 1,000. It's a gamble, but a good risk reward, you can do that. But more than that, yeah, it's a you don't wanna bust, you wanna make consistent money. So that's the key thing. You gotta be careful about that. Yeah. Yeah, thanks, Douglas. Yeah, a lot of times, like Neo would be like cheaper, and all the brokers about that pin rate happen to you, and then yeah, yeah. I mean, I kind of talk to them, but again, yeah, but it could happen. That's there, so it's kind of weird. Like, why would they not exercise the other leg? Cause I would be profitable in that trade. I would have made money, but instead, like, I lost it. So it's there. But the best idea is if you close it early, kind of safe, better than sorry. Unless you're like deep in the money. Again, like it was Tesla, and Tesla goes either way really high. That's why I had like huge loss, but. If you are doing a small ticker, maybe you'll lose a couple hundred. But again, if it's a small account, that kind of be a big amount too. So yeah. Thanks. Yeah, you know what is it? So, oh wow. So silver is from green to red. Tesla is also like from 44. So that's why a lot of people's like you chase is in the morning, you got in, right? Again, it's fine even if you got in, but you can get a better price. So why take a bad price when you can get a better price? So Tesla is going down now. So AP, I think I closed that, but they are doing. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, I closed them this morning. I was so I got it. I got like 20 credit. I closed it like what was the price? Like let me see. I closed it like 7 cents. So I made like 12. So like 70 60 70% gain. I didn't had much, but I was up nicely. So I closed them those this morning. I think it's still good because it was 36. I'm at like what 36.90. Mine is I mean 36. So if it doesn't touch 36, I'll be winner and looks pretty decent. I may actually get in again. How much they paying? They pay about $12. So yeah, yeah. So those credit they are great actually. Like see, I mean, I think AP like believe me, you will come as a winner in the long run. You probably know that by now. So you do lose sometimes. Definitely you will lose. So you just need to kind of adjust or whatever. But other than that, like at the end of the day, you have 80% chance of winning. Whether whereas the other person has 10% of chance winning. So every 10 plays you win eight. Maybe the other guy win one or two. So that's a so Tesla is kind of iffing out there, but look at that. That was our boy, almost 20. Yeah, 1850, and it flew up to 90. That's so these are real gainers, like you make like quick money, get out. And this is what like Neo. If you look at the Neo, they were probably really cheap. Like if you look at Neo, so sometimes you don't even have to play the expensive one, and this does not even swing like Tesla. So let's look at the Neo, like how much they were. If you just look at the chain and kind of analyze like what could be good. Uh, so if you got in like let's say weekly, so these things you can risk it. For example, right, 20 weekly was probably pretty cheap like this morning. So if you look at the low 26 and high was 72. Again, nobody can sell exactly that, but even if you get like 30 35, it went to 60. So you almost 100% off in few hours, right? So those are the things. Sympathy, always look at the sympathy, like so when social networking doing something great, where do you go? Like when you have, let's say, something good news about the airlines, you have a lot of airlines. So kind of it's just there's FOMO. People are like, hey, EV is great, so maybe this will do great. So Neo did not had any news and everything, but you can see that, right? So if you got in like 20 calls for like 30 35 even 40, like get 10 calls for 400. And if you sold it even now, which is now is basically Neo is not even, it's kind of time to sell, right? Like it's up, then kind of playing around. So not doing any action, but looks like a flag though. And yeah, congesting, it can go either way, like big moves. But yeah, that's like 40 50%. So options, like I like this better than a lot of swinging one, because there's a lot of good risk reward and you don't have to pay a lot of money. You're just paying 200 300 and making 6 700 within few hours, done for the day. Then put that money in selling spreads, collect all those small dollars. So option I play like most of the times like pretty small. Leaves, that's fine, cover. Sells and put, that's fine, I a big amount. But when I play few thousand, I don't put like more than couple thousand in one play. Max like I'll do is maybe 2 or 3,000. I did put Apple a lot one time. It did pay out, but yeah, other than that, I won't be putting a lot of money there. Still looking good though. So we could literally go from boom. So Tesla comes strong. Yeah, Tesla is like chilling in that area in 30, which is not bad. Look at that. It's just cruising through it. What else? What else? What else? Yeah, they just said like they do not exercise. After that, you have to call them and do it manually. So basically, what they said is like if you are in the money by 4, then it's gonna happen automatically. But if you do not call, I mean, if it's not in the money by 4, after that you do have a time till 5:30, but you have to call them. They cannot do manually. Same with the Robinhood. I saw somebody in our chat itself. He lost like 30K or something, and there's a lot of stories I saw. What do you mean by mark price? So it means up, right? Mark price is the mid price between bid and ask. So if your cost price is $2, like if it goes up, your mark price will be up, Ronnie. Well, you gotta look at the two leg, Ronnie. So I don't know if you have. If you tell me, I can. Can you tell me like I can go over? Oh, I knew Danny from long before. We some group we used to hang out. So yeah, I I knew him like a couple of years, like 4 or 5 years. Pretty much everybody were from there. Exactly. And the thing is like literally if you try to call E-Trade, they take like 30-40 minutes. So like you don't even have a patience. And the thing is like Tesla price happened after like 5 or something. So you just have like 30 minutes and chances are you're not gonna get. So either they freaking have to make some button in where you can do it, uh, and they don't even have anything. You have to call them. Tell me, Ronnie, what's your? We can look into live right now, like what you're talking about. So look at that. Look at that. Uh, so Tesla 595, 600, 925, right? So let's okay. I know you messaged me, but we can look into Tesla 595, 600. So Tesla, let's 5. I think your expiration is in 25, so you have it until next week. That's good. 595, 595. So if you look at the 595, Yeah, not bad, right? So I think, I guess you have I don't know what it's showing, but basically you are doing buy call this, sell call this. So your one contract should be worth about $45 at right now. So depends what price you got in, right? If you got in more than that, of course you are losing. If you got in less than this, you are winning. So pretty much, if you look at the ask bid, it's the mark is just 855. It's just the midpoint. 840, 855, 848. It's just the midpoint. That's all. It's always changing again. So whatever you see may be changing. But here it's 805, 820, 830. That's all. So your cost is like 38 now, 40. So it's swinging all the time, but pretty much that's about it. So I guess that makes sense, right? So yeah, I didn't see in your screenshot like those two lines, so it's hidden. So yeah, but Neo literally, Neo did good. Neo did good. Neo did good. Okay, okay. So what else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What we have now? I guess my question is, I bought cheaper than when it. What is it right now in today's market again? Tabs was in which it was up at least 5K in months. Again, see each days, right? Since your expiration is really far away, you will be losing money even if the price goes up. You have a theta, you need to kind of calculate what the theta is, and you can actually like see all those value right there. But yeah, yesterday it was up doesn't mean, because you are not in the money. If you are in the money, you will be getting up, but if you are not in the money, you won't be making that much money. So each day you pass, it has to go really high because it has to reach by that expiration, right? So for example, if you had Tesla 400, 420, today you are in the money. So let's say yesterday and today it up, you will be up. But since you are 596 and you are really long, Tesla kind of consolidating, so maybe you can get in, like it's not kind of hanging around in that area. So if you get filled, not a bad. What else? What else? What else? What else? Question. I guess you got it, Ronnie, right? You can actually have a video on, I think, spreads on Tasty Work. If you watch that, you can actually check it, like what price it is and what date it is, and it's gonna estimate and show you the price. So it's pretty good. Yeah, Tesla is like in that area, so it did not like whatever gain it had was just the pre-market gain. Again, we are up nicely from yesterday from what was that, from 20 to 30, but kind of in the same area. All right, all right, all right. So what else? What else? Okay, VXX. So let's look at VXX. VXX is dying, I think, or is it coming up? Okay, not dying. So up a little bit. VXX 25. Yeah, kind of flat though, but VXS is green. Not huge, but still green. So that's something to concern about. I was thinking of doing a SPY Iron Condor on like 25 and 55. Looks like good. I may do it. I don't think that pays a lot. Not bad for 2 3 days actually. QQQ is two again. QQ is struggling. They were almost like 310, right? Yeah, 310 and struggling. And Tesla pretty flat on everything. Where are we? Okay. Apple went down significantly. When's their event? Is it done? So tech is still not very strong, I would say. I think only is like Tesla is kind of saving everyone, but other than that, it's pretty pretty bad. Square has some gap. Danny was telling. So 68 versus. I was just looking at the market. Okay, VXX. Oh, I mean, oh wow, okay. Slowly rising looks like. So you gotta be careful when VIX rises. It could be hell. I mean, it could drop any moment. Yeah, only thing is like Tesla a little strong, but other than that, meh. But Neo is great. So it bounced back almost that area, but that was a good play. Even if it got from here to here, that's like $30-40, like for a small, like very not too risky play. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see. No, 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 no. There was not glitch, but after hour, you see all the price just cause like the ask and bid. I have a video about that. Watch that, but that's why. Don't look at 5 minutes, man. I mean, if you are swinging again, if you are day trading, maybe, but I don't even look into too much noise with 5 minutes. Just minimum 15 minutes. That's what we are talking about. Like, I guess Thanos kind of got into some things with the 5 minutes and didn't work out, but I think you need to look into 15 minutes. This flag, that's a gap flag. 5 minutes, I don't know. Like, I mean, I don't know if you are considering this, but this is not really. It's a gapped up, but that was perfect resistance right around 410. Really good entry. Even 398, 400 too. Good resistance right around there, and we tested that again yesterday, I guess. Yeah, 135. We tested 397. Then boom, that would be good trade for a weekly. That's like almost 3 4K. Tesla kind of coming up. KR. We can look into KR. Again, these are the value ticker. Let's look at daily. I'm not gonna even look at anything. So much noise. I'll just do horizontal just for the easiness. So I see a lot of support around here. Yeah, that's a pretty good area actually. Right now, I think we support right here. There was a lot of resistance right around here. Some resistance around there, there. Yeah, I don't think we are that. Yeah, I see around 32 good support, I think. Um, this is again area, so yeah, it's good catch actually. I think we bounced from what 36, we touched 40 around to 40, 37. So this could be a good swing, very less risky. And even if you can do put credit spread around, let's say 32, right? Pretty safe, 30 to 30. So I don't know how much they pay, probably not, but you can do monthly and make maybe few $100. If it's $100, that would be nice, but I don't think it pay $100. But yeah, definitely strong support. I don't think it's gonna go below this one, but we may test it this one. But seems like we kind of going up, which is a good sign. Yeah. Okay, we are in 94, not breaking here yet, and okay, BYND is still right there in the channel. This is a good thing. It's trying to breeze this. Once we breeze that, we can move really high. We need that energy. Okay, pain looks good too. All right, guys, if you have not subscribed, don't forget to like and subscribe. Do that. Yeah, if you want me to make video on something, let me know. I will make some. But other than that, maybe I'll just do 2 minutes if you have anything last minute. But happy trading day. Uh, Pretty good day. Uh, got in few, closed few. Looks good. My Python 70 75 looking good. I may hold it. I'm trying to sell it like 95. Nobody's paying me. Like, but I'll wait. I don't think it's gonna go 75 below. So Zoom, 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 zoom. Again, I'm looking for this to break this triangle. So this is right here. I would say like 408. Yeah, 408. Once you break 408 with good volume, also volume doesn't seem like that a great today, but that would be good, good entry for me. But yeah, other than that, have a great day, everyone. Have a great day, and we will. I'll see you guys tomorrow.